ever wondered how a small seed grows into a mighty tree? It's all about compounding. Much like that seed, your consistent efforts can grow into something mighty. This is the power of compound effort. Now, this isn't about making a massive leap in a single bound. No, it's about taking small, consistent steps that accumulate over time. It's about making a tiny bit of progress each day, week, month, and year. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it keeps rolling, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. Your efforts work in much the same way. Each small action you take adds to the snowball of your success, so don't underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. They might not seem like much in the moment, but over time they can lead to extraordinary results. So do you believe in the power of compound effort now? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Money makes the world go round, but do you know how to keep it spinning in your favor? In this journey to the top, financial literacy is your compass. It's not just for Wall Street wizards. It's for you, for me, for everyone who aspires to rise above the average. Understanding investments, savings, and smart money moves is crucial. It's about knowing how to make your money work for you even while you sleep. It's about grasping the power of compound interest, a force so powerful that Albert Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world. Being financially savvy can seem daunting, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Step by step, day by day, you can build your financial knowledge and with it your financial freedom. So, how financially savvy are you? Share your best money management tip with us. Let's learn, grow, and conquer together. Hard work is important, but smart work, that's the real game changer. We often glorify the grind, the hustle, the sheer grit it takes to reach the top. But let's stop for a moment. Is it all about working harder? Or is there a smarter way to hustle? Imagine a seesaw. On one side, we have hard work, and on the other, we have smart work. The trick is to strike a balance. Now, how do we do that? By identifying high-impact tasks, tasks that propel us towards our goals faster. Delegate the rest. See, time is a non-renewable resource. Once lost, we can never get it back. So it's crucial to invest our time in tasks that yield maximum results. It's like picking the ripest fruits from the tree first. This is what we mean by hustling smart. It's about being efficient, being strategic, and making every minute count. Are you ready to hustle smart? Tell us about your high-impact tasks for today. Your network is your net worth. Sounds cliché, right? But it's a cliché for a reason. In the interconnected world we live in, networking is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's the cornerstone of your personal and professional growth. Imagine having a personal board of directors to guide you, to inspire you, and to open doors you didn't know existed. That's the power of a network. So, how do you build this network? Start by connecting with mentors who've walked the path you aspire to tread. Engage with industry leaders whose work you admire. And don't forget your peers, the fellow go-getters who are on this journey with you. Attend conferences, participate in webinars, or simply grab a chai with someone interesting. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to learn and to grow. And here's the best part. As your network expands, so does your net worth. Who's the most interesting person in your network? Let us know. 2 is better than 1, especially when it comes to skills. This is the Indian way, the art of skill stacking. Picture the versatility of a Swiss Army knife. That's what you become when you stack your skills. It's not about being a master of one, but about being resourceful, adaptable. It's about mixing your skills like a fragrant masala, creating a unique blend that only you can offer. Take coding and marketing, for instance. Separately, they're powerful. Together, they're an unstoppable force. Or think about cooking and content creation. What a delicious combination that would be. It's about creating unique opportunities that set you apart from the rest, about opening doors that others don't even know exist. So, what's your unique blend? What skills are you stacking? Are you combining your love for fitness with your knack for social media? Or perhaps you're mixing your artistic abilities with your business acumen. Whatever it is, remember this, your unique skill stack is your superpower. What skills are you stacking? Comment your unique combo below. Ever noticed how our Bollywood heroes always rise from the ashes? That's not just for the silver screen. In real life too, success is often born from the ashes of failure. Each setback, each stumble, and each misstep is a chance to learn, to grow, to adapt. Just like our beloved Bollywood heroes, each fall is an opportunity for a dramatic comeback. Remember, it's not about never failing, it's about never giving up. Embrace failure, not as an end, but as a stepping stone towards success. Think about it. Every time you fall, you're one step closer to rising. Every time you fail, you're one lesson richer. So next time you face a setback, dance it off Bollywood style and rise from the ashes, stronger and wiser. Tell us about a time you turned a failure into a stepping stone towards success. Ayurveda teaches us that health is wealth, and the top 1% knows this too. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept up in the pursuit of material wealth. But the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda reminds us of a profound truth. Our health is our most valuable asset. The elite understand this principle and prioritize their well-being just as much as their bank balance. They integrate Ayurvedic practices into their daily routines, harnessing the power of our ancestral knowledge to enhance their vitality. They believe in the healing properties of yoga, recognizing it as an invaluable tool for maintaining physical strength and mental tranquility. They appreciate the medicinal benefits of turmeric, a golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and they swear by early morning walks, a simple yet effective way to connect with nature and kickstart their metabolism. So, what's your favorite Ayurvedic tip or practice? Let's get healthy together. Imagine having the confidence of Shah Rukh Khan. Now stop imagining and start believing. It's time to talk about the mindset of the Badshah of Bollywood. Shah Rukh Khan is not just a superstar, he's a master of self-belief and visualization. His journey from humble beginnings to being a global icon is a testament to the power of the mind. His approach? It's simple. Believe in yourself, even when the odds are against you. Visualize your success every single day. See yourself as the hero of your own story, the King Khan of your journey. It's not about arrogance, it's about confidence, it's about knowing that you are capable of greatness, that you can overcome any obstacle. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your success. So channel your inner SRK and start believing in your dreams. Don ko pakadna mushkil hai nahin namumkin hai. How do you channel your inner SRK? Share your affirmations with us. Opening. Giving back isn't just for billionaires. It starts with you, and it starts now. The Ambani twist is all about philanthropy, about giving back to the community. You see, the journey to the top isn't just about accumulating wealth or achieving personal success. It's also about lifting others as you climb. It's about sharing the fruits of your success with those less fortunate. In the grand scheme of things, it's the small actions that can often make the biggest difference. You don't need to build hospitals or donate millions to make an impact. It can start with a simple act of kindness, sponsoring a child's education, planting a tree, feeding a stray dog. The ripple effects of these actions can be profound. They not only transform the lives of others, but also enrich our own. Because at the end of the day, success isn't measured by how much you get, but by how much you give. Closing. What's your favorite way to give back? Share with us and inspire others. You've come this far, now it's time to join the top 1%. We've journeyed through the power of compound effort, the game-changing impact of financial literacy, the essence of hustling hard but smart, and the art of networking. We've uncovered the Indian way of skill stacking, the Bollywood-style embrace of failure, the Ayurvedic approach to health as wealth, the Shah Rukh Khan approach to mindset, and the Ambani twist of giving back. All these elements form the recipe for success that the elite 1% lives by. But remember, every journey is unique. So pick and choose what resonates with you the most, tweak it to your liking, and pave your own way to the top. Which tip inspired you the most? Share your thoughts, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more secrets of success. Until next time, keep soaring.